Hi, what's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be doing another trading confluence video. This time it's going to be over equilibrium and price retracing into equilibrium. This is one of the confluences that I use for my entries, and I'm going to teach you how to spot it on the charts, how to use it, and then show you why you can make profit while using equilibrium. If you like what I have to say and teach you today, please consider watching my other trading confluence videos and liking and subscribing to from this video because it helps me a lot. Also go to my other socials like Instagram and TikTok. There you can find more of my content, and also I have my Discord linked in the bio, and so you can join that as well, which is totally free to join. I host trading sessions in the morning, and I also accept questions there for free of charge, and the Discord's free, everything's free. Again, thank you for the support on the videos, and without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, now that we are on the slides, let's get right into equilibrium. Equilibrium is a price range that price likes to retrace back into to gain more support for the new move. And so what this means is that price likes to move in trends, and whenever price is at the top of its trend, it'll like to search for equilibrium to retrace for, so more people can buy or sell depending on the move. When price returns to EQ, it's really just returning to a premium or discount of price. For a bullish EQ, price retraces to a discount, which means price will retrace back down before moving up. And in a bearish EQ, price likes to retrace back up into premium, which means price will go up before coming back down. If price comes into EQ, then we can probably associate that with price wanting to get new buyers or sellers for the new trend. All right, so now we're here with the little line example of premium and discount. So we can see here that we're kind of just consolidating here, and then we get a trend move out. So we see that as we move out, we are overbought, and we want to move back down into this discount range before moving back up. And the reason why, and the same thing over here, if we're kind of consolidating right here, but then we get a push down, and then we see that we want to come back up before moving back down into this premium range, because the premium and discount range is just a better entry for the trader. And what that looks like is, would you rather enter at this point right here, or would you rather enter at this point right here at the 0.5 or 1? You're probably going to enter at the 0.5 if you had the chance. And so what price does is price will kind of manipulate itself back down, so all the buyers that want to be a part of this new move can buy, which also dries up the price. Here we are on NQ, finally on the charts and with the candles. I'm going to show you a bullish example of price retracing into equilibrium right now here. This is literally live time, but you can see I use my GAN box. I put the bottom from this little low that it made here, the swing low that it made, all the way to the top, and you can see that when I put it from here to here, price wanted to come literally tap the equilibrium range perfectly before wanting to move, continuing to move up. All right, still, here is July the 25th. We could see that price again swing high to this time swing low. We can see that once price came into this equilibrium zone, we decided to continue lower. And that's really the main thing that I want y'all to take away from this, is that price will retrace back into this little premium or discount zone depending on the trend, but it'll retrace in for more support of the move, because we see that once we get here, price really rejects this. Price doesn't have enough momentum to keep on going lower. So we see that we get back to here. Now people are like, ooh, this is a better place to sell than here. And then we sell down. A main thing that I really never really talk about in my confluence videos is that these confluence work on every single time frame. And so what that means is that I was just showing you examples of price wanting to retrace into equilibrium on the 4 hour, but here's an example of price wanting to retrace to equilibrium on the 1 minute. And so we see that the 1 minute we get the expansion down, and then we see that we tap into equilibrium right here before wanting to see lower. And I actually use this for my entry. And so what this kind of means is that you could see when price is in equilibrium on the higher time frame, realize that you've hit equilibrium, and then you can really scale down and get a bigger and better high time frame bias while using equilibrium. That'll be it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching the video. Again, I appreciate it so much. Equilibrium is a pretty simple confluence. It's really just one little indicator that you use and you draw up. I think equilibrium is very powerful nonetheless. And thank everybody that supports my YouTube channel. I also would greatly appreciate everybody that watches my YouTube channel to go to my Instagram and my TikTok and like and support over there again. And like I said before, my Discord is completely free. Don't feel scared to join. I'm there pretty much all the time and just trying to help people become better traders. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. See y'all.